Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and today we're tackling a neat problem of SAT exam involving an isosceles right triangle and some algebra. Let's read it together. An isosceles right triangle has a perimeter of 94 plus 94 square root of 2 inches. What is the length in inches of one leg of this triangle? So we have a triangle. Let's call this ABC. Here we have right angle. And remember, in an isosceles triangle, the two legs are equal in length and the measure of leg angles is 45 degrees. So let's write it here and here. So let's assume each leg equals x. These two legs are equal in length, and using trig ratios to find the length of the hypotenuse in terms of x. Okay, we know that sine of 45 degrees equals to sine of 45 opposite leg, which is AB, over hypotenuse, which is AC. Sine of 45 degrees is radical 2 over 2. AB is x, and we are looking for the length of the hypotenuse, but in terms of x. In order to solving this equation, I'm going to use cross multiplication. So x times 2 is 2x, and AC times radical 2. For finding AC, I'm gonna divide both sides of the equation by radical 2. So 2 over radical 2 is radical 2 times x. So AC is radical 2 times x. Let me write it for hypotenuse. Okay. And we're told the perimeter of this triangle is 94 plus 94 radical 2. Okay, so I'm going to use x, and radical 2x for finding the perimeter. So x plus radical 2x should be equal to 94 plus 94 radical 2. Okay, and we have like terms for x, so I'm gonna factor out x. Let me combine these two x, 2x plus radical 2x, and then factor out x. And it should be 94 plus 94 radical 2. And x equals to right hand side over 2 plus radical 2. This is the value for x, but as you can see, there is no answer like this in our choices. So we need to simplify or continue simplifying x by rationalizing. So I'm going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by 2 minus radical 2, and in order to maintain the balance of this fraction of this equation, we should multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 minus radical 2, which is the conjugate of the denominator, because we know that a minus b times a plus b gives us a squared minus b squared. This is an identity which is called difference of squares. And by using this, we are going to find the square of a and b and get rid of radicals. So we use this difference of squares for finding a rationalized denominator. Okay, and now 2 plus radical 2 times 2 minus radical 2 is 2 squared minus radical 2 squared. So the denominator is 4 minus 2, which is 2. And how about the numerator? So we should multiply this by this using distribution. So let me write this. 94 times 2 is 188. 94 times minus radical 2 becomes this. 94 radical 2 times 2 is 188 radical 2. And last terms, 94 radical 2 times minus radical 2 is going to be minus 188. Okay, and now we can cancel out positive and negative 188. The denominator is 4 minus 2, which is 2. And these are like terms. 188 minus 94 gives us 94 radical 2. And the last step is 94 divided by 2, which is 47 radical 2. This is the final answer of this question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.